Why is to switch gears used for to change topic? The expressions to switch gears, to shift gears, are often, too often for my taste, but that is a different matter, used to announce a switch from one topic to another in an oral presentation, for example, a scientific talk. As far as vehicles are concerned, gears are switched to change speed, not direction. Hence, I would rather associate a switch of gears with a change in the speed of the presentation. Therefore, expressions such as to change lanes or to change direction seem to be more appropriate. Does anyone have knowledge about the origin of the phrase? I could not find it in the respectable dictionaries, so I'm also not sure how common it really is. Another interesting point is that the phrase seems to be particularly popular in the United States, despite the dominance of automatic cars.
When you change gears in a manual transmission, you are connecting an entirely different gear to the drive shaft to provide drive. The idiom refers to the switch to a different, discrete mechanism, not the change of speed that can result. After all, it's quite possible to drive the same speed in different gears.
I couldn't find anything on the etymology of the idiom, but in common parlance let's switch gears or change gears usually means changing the subject. I think this has less to do with the way a transmission works, changing gears changes speed, and more to do with feeling the change of gears. You can really feel gear switch, especially with a bad driver. When referring to changing the speed of the activity, the gear idiom I encounter frequently is shift into high gear.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.